have a confession. I do not have a favorite drugstore foundation. I've tried pretty much all of them. The one Hi Glam Beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a review on the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I went to Ulta today and saw that Maybelline had extended their shade ranges, and I know I'm a little late. I will be doing a review on these two. I have here Deep Bronze 370 and 338 Deep Golden. On this side I put 368 Deep Golden, and on this side I put 370 Deep Bronze. So I want you guys to tell me which side that you like better. This side, Deep Golden, or this side, Deep Bronze. I'll tell you at the end what I think about the foundation, how it wears, and would this be a CC approved foundation? Okay, so overall guys, with these foundations, I still am not like this is going in my top drugstore foundations. I still it looks pretty on camera, it filmed and photographed beautifully, but in person it's okay. I would say that when I first tried 370, I felt like it went on a little too dark, but definitely had more of a golden-ish undertone. When I tried 368 deep golden, it definitely had that golden undertone and kind of went on perfectly into my skin. I do prefer 368 better. I do like the way it wears. It's very light. The price I paid at Ulta was $7.99. I do think it's a little bit cheaper at other stores like Walmart or Target, but I happen to be in Ulta today, so I picked this up. So will I wear this again, and do I recommend it? If everyday makeup, yes. If you wanted to do something glam for pictures or something, yes. So overall, I give the foundation like a 6 still. It's definitely not my top. I will do a review on my top favorite foundation from the drugstore. I will do a review on that. You'll see what that is. But definitely guys, if you haven't checked it out and you're my skin tone deeper or even a little bit lighter, definitely go and check these out to see how you like them and how they wear. Thank you so much, Glam Beauties, for watching this video. If you like what you see, please thumbs up the video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, Glam Beauty.